Welcome to Forest Sense, an advanced AI-powered forest intelligence system designed to support climate change monitoring and environmental decision making. So this project aims to transform how we understand forests by combining artificial intelligence, satellite imagery, and deep learning techniques. So climate change has accelerated deforestation, biodiversity loss, and forest degradation, making real-time forest insights more critical than ever. So, Forest Sense provides a centralized platform where users can visualize forest health, detect changes, and analyze environmental patterns effortlessly. Our system integrates data from Google Earth Engine, remote sync APIs, and machine learning models to give high precision production. So, welcome to the dashboard section of To the Forest Sense, the more core intelligent panel where all forest insights come together in a clear and interactive way. So the dashboard is designed to give users an immediate understanding of forest conditions using real-time visual analytics. So at the top, you will notice key environmental instructions such as to the total forest cover, degradation percentage, and active risk alerts. So these values are generated through AI-powered classification using both satellite data and machine learning productions. The dashboard has a color-coded card, green cup to the healthy areas, yellow warning zones, and red for to the high risk regions to help the user quickly to interpret forest condition. Each card is clickable, allowing users to go deeper into the deforestation data, vegetation density, or a risk evaluation matrix. So next we'll be having to the forest map page. So welcome to the forest map page, the most crucial and powerful part of to the forest sense system. This map visualizes real-time forest conditions using satellite imagery processed through our AI model. So the moment the page loads, user greeted with a high revolutionary interactive map that responds smoothly to zooming and planning. Our model classifies the Earth's surface into three key categories: green for healthy forests, yellow for moderately affected regions, and red for severely deforested zones. Unlike traditional box-shaped productions, our system renders classification results exactly according to real and boundaries for natural and realistic output. This makes the map appear highly accurate, matching real topological shapes instead of artificial square tiles. Users can search any location such as district, forest server, or even village and instantly view its environmental condition. The color coding remains consistent across all searches so that the interpretation is easy and reliable for every region. When clicking on a specific area, the map displays a short, clean pop-up with essential information such as vegetational level, risk status, and percentage of forest loss. The floating legend onto the side helps viewers understand the meaning of each color category at a glance. All the visual layers are optimized for a high clarity, ensuring that even small region look sharp and accurate without distortion. The integration of satellite data with AI segmentation helps users observe forest changes that may not be visible to the naked eye. The assistance researchers, forest department, and disaster responses teams in detecting early signs of to the environmental degradation. Each point of to the graph represents real satellite derived data processed through AI classification model. By hovering over the lines, users can view the exact forest percentage for such a specific year, making the data easy to interpret. The consistent color scheme, green, yellow, and red, maintain clarity and prevent confusion during comparison. So, these timelines helps identify patterns such as steady decline, sudden drops, and another more of kind of the things. Welcome to the Historical Trends and Analysis page, the analytic core of the Forest Sense platform. This section brings together a year of satellite observation to help us understand how forest health has changed over time. The first element you see is clean, interactive line chart that reveals how forest cover, moderate, and deforested regions have shifted years by year. Each point on the graph represents the real satellite derived data processed through our AI classification model. By hovering over lines, user can view exact focus percentage for each specific year, making the data easy for interpretation. The consistent color scheme, green, yellow, and red maintains clarity, prevents confusion during comparisons. Such insights are essential for climate monitoring teams and policymakers study deforestation impacts. Below the time compares increase and decrease in forest cover across decades. This visualization highlights critical years where significant forest loss occurred, allowing deeper investigation into possible causes. For example, extreme weather events, wildfires, or human-included activities such as illegal logging became noticeable through these patterns. The page also features an interactive heat map showing the hotspot of deforestation over time. This heat map clearly displays regions that have experienced consistent deforestation as well as the area showing the signs of recovery.
It allows researchers to quickly identify high-risk zones where urgent conversions measures are required. In addition, user can manually select custom date ranges, enabling year-to-year or decade-to-decade comparisons. This flexibility helps organizations generate precise reports tailored to their environmental goals. The interface also included a dedicated insights panel that summarized key findings from the charts and maps. These insights might include statements like forest cover dropped by 8% or 10% between 2018 to 2020 year, providing user with an instant understanding without manual calculation. Welcome to the Insights and Other section, one of the most intelligent and proactive components of the Forest Sense platform. This page is designed to provide real-time AI-driven guidance that helps users understand not just what is happening, but what they need to pay attention to. Unlike the historical trends page, which focuses on long-term analysis, but this section is all about immediate observations, risk assessment, and actionable insights. At the top of the page, you will notice the Smart Insights panel, which summarizes the most significant changes detected in the selected region. This panel highlights observations such as sudden drops in forest cover, unusual vegetation stress, or rising patterns of deforestation risk. Every insight is generated automatically using deep learning models that analyze multi-band satellite imagery. This ensures that users receive accurate and timely information without needing to manually process raw satellite data. The insights are color coded based on urgency: green for safe, yellow for caution, and red for critical alerts. This color distinction helps users instantly understand the level of severity associated with each insight. Below the insight panels, an interactive alert tile system displays various environmental indicators. These tiles include deforestation warnings, vegetation. These tiles include deforestation warnings, vegetation stress alerts, land degradation notices, and possible fire risk predictions. Each tile is clickable and expands into a detailed explanation of the underlying cause. For example, if an alert indicates high deforestation risk, clicking the tile reveals the contributing factors such as rapid tree loss, soil dryness, and historical patterns. This makes the platform extremely user-friendly, especially for researchers and environmental officers who need deeper context. The alert system updates automatically whenever new satellite imagery is processed by the model. This ensures that the mapped information is always current and reliable. Next, you will find an area condition summary which describes the overall state of selected region. This section may include statements like vegetation health decreased by 6% in last month, or forest density is stable with a low degradation risk. These summarizes provide a quick and digestible overview of environmental conditions.